Welcome back to Fanboy episode 3. Today I have my friend Andrea on the show. She shoots all of these videos and is a very talented food creator in her own.
And today we're making cauliflower wings.
We're going to start with the batter in this bowl. We're going to start with this gluten-free flour. So I'm going to get, I don't know, half a cup, 3/4 of a cup of flour.
Okay. Oh, am I eyeballing this? I guess so. It doesn't have to be perfect. Okay. 3/4 cups.
This is more like making pancake batter, so it's more about the consistency. So we can always readjust it with more of the milk.
Right.
When we get there.
It's about maybe like...
Right over there?
Yeah.
We're going to put in about a teaspoon of this. That's garlic powder and a teaspoon of paprika. Perfect. And then I'm going to put in about half a teaspoon of salt. And you can whisk it and I'll pour the milk in.
Okay.
Yeah, we're just looking for it to kind of cling to that. And then we're going to get another bowl here with panko breadcrumbs. Whoa, did you buy these? Or did you bring these from home?
I brought them home.
Oh, okay,
Yeah.
good. I was like, these are already open. And then we can go ahead and pour about 2 cups of vegetable oil into the pan.
Okay.
We're just using vegetable oil. You could use any cheap oil that you want.
Okay, nice.
Add the cornstarch to the batter, so I'm going to add a couple tablespoons of corn. I think it adds a nice light crispiness, that nice crunch that you're looking for.
This lighting right here is beautiful.
All right, we're going to go ahead and cut this into large florets. So I'm going to show you first, and then you can take over.
Okay.
So I'm going to start. I'm personally going to look for florets like maybe this size. So, do you want to tell the camera how we met?
Yes. I
And
think
then I
I was
realized
following you
that-
already.
Oh, really?
Yeah. And then I think you started following me. You're like, we should collab.
Ah.
I think that was it. Because I'm like, what? This is crazy.
Yeah, I don't know why I put it together that you live near me, but then I did, and I was like, oh, whoa. Because I find it really hard to find other creators on the internet that live in Hamilton.
Yeah.
Like, there aren't that many.
No.
I don't remember.
I learned so much.
I don't remember the first thing we shot. I think it was the
Pop-Tarts.
oh yeah.
There's the Pop-Tarts. And then we did the miso upside down banana cake,
Oh yeah.
which was delicious.
Yeah, I think you're the first person that I ever seen with 1 million views that actually responded to me.
What?
Yeah.
No way.
It's crazy.
Little old me.
Okay, so now we're going to bread these wings.
Nice.
I don't know where my other tongs went.
If I
think I lost them.
Use forks, maybe?
That's a good idea.
Oh, these look so good. How are these wings? It's crazy.
Boneless. Boneless, skinless.
I would have thought you'd have to cook them first and then batter them, or like, I don't know, cook them or like
That
steam
makes
them or
sense.
something.
Yeah.
And then that way they're like soft.
I did think about that, but I like the texture of like
crunchy.
yeah, like 90% cooked
Okay.
something.
Yeah.
Especially with vegetables.
Yeah. I'm like, you only know so much when you're a child.
Well, you don't know anything really. Like until you're like, okay, I think that's enough.
Yeah, it's a lot of.
It's 1.5 pounds or whatever. Do you like chicken wings? These look pretty good. Order up. I'm gonna make the ranch. Are we filming here?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm gonna get you to slice up some chives.
Okay. So I went to school. Chef school to cut chives.
Pretty much.
Yeah.
These are really
They were
thin
very
chives.
strict about cutting chives.
How often do you clean the oven?
Oh, not often enough.
Yeah, that's a common theme. I think.
Yeah. You?
Yeah, not often enough.
We used to use, like, you know how the oven has the auto clean or the cleaner
Yeah.
or whatever? Amber, our oven, something happened to it a few months ago, and then we had someone come in, they're like, don't ever use the oven cleaner.
Oh, why?
Because it brings it to a temperature, like, so
So hot.
high. Yeah, and they're like, it's not good for the oven. Like, they have it, but maybe they just do it so that I don't know, breaks and you buy a new one.
Perfect. So now I'm gonna add some dried dill here.
Okay. Yum. Dill's the best. I think it's like the best herb.
Is that your favorite herb? Mm-hmm. Interesting.
Herb. Yeah. Yours? Your favorite?
Cilantro.
Oh, yeah, that's a good one. That's a good one.
I also like that cilantro is like universally kind of divisive.
That's true.
It used to be basil for a long time though. But then I was like, basil is so basic.
It is quite basic, yeah.
It's like the only herb white people know.
Like, let's spice things up. Add a little basil.
You just want to slice off a little wedge there.
Oh, okay.
And then so the two sauces we're gonna make is like a buffalo sauce, which is just this, and then a little bit of melted butter. And then we're gonna make like a honey garlic, which this is vegan honey that I made last week or 2 weeks ago. It's apple cider, lemon juice, and white sugar. And the consistency is kind of crazy.
It's so crazy.
If you want to put that lemon juice in the ranch there.
Yeah.
But yeah, check this out. Isn't that crazy? Wow. I think it's crazy. All right, so we're just gonna heat this up. This is just the Frank's Red Hot and a little bit of butter. If you want to put that on the pan there.
Yeah.
And then we got our ranch, and then I'm actually just gonna combine this. This is called garlic. I don't usually buy this, but we bought this at a farmer's market. It has like garlic, chilies, vinegar, and that's it kind of. So I'm just gonna combine this when the wings come out of the oven in a bowl. Like we're at a restaurant, like we're at St. Louis.
Yeah. St. Louis.
It's
St. Louis.
It is St. Louis.
Or did I say St. Louis?
You did, yeah.
St. Louis.
But do you think that's a Canadian franchise? I think it's got to be.
I feel like yeah, I think so.
Chicken wings in the States must be a totally different experience.
That'd be wild. What? Oh my gosh, that smells so good. I totally forgot about this hot sauce.
Okay, I'm gonna add this sauce to this bowl here.
Oh. Or something. But anyway, blue cheese, big fan.
Oh really? I do not like
Really,
blue cheese.
it is strong. It's a strong.
I don't really
cheese.
like cheese though, so.
That's true. So, yeah, harder when you're vegan too.
No, even like
before.
Even before.
Oh really?
Like I hate like it just has like this. Like I think blue cheese and brie are like the top two that I don't like. Brie leaves like this. It's hard to explain, but like this, it just tastes like disgusting in my mouth. I guess that must be like the mold or something.
Maybe.
Or the rind, maybe?
Maybe the rind, yeah.
It's just like, I can't explain it. It's like, why would you want to eat that?
That's so funny.
Yeah, okay, so we're going to add a couple of these into this bowl. It's one of the two.
Those looks insane. Oh, maybe. No, that's a lot sauce.
Or I just don't want to splatter on my nice apron. I think that's what it is.
It's the whole purpose of
Wow, these are like massive.
Yeah, they are, but they look so good. Your drumstick looks massive.
Wow, we're done. We're almost there.
Oh, this is only, I thought it was smaller.
They're all big.
Woo! Cheers. My goodness.
Fully cooked.
This is insane. Smell the bus. Wow.
To be honest, I was kind of surprised they are so cooked.
I didn't think they're going to be this cooked.
Thanks for tuning in. Let me know who you want to see in the next episode.